Hi everyone, my name is Curtis Webb, and welcome to my Pluralsight course, Improving Interpersonal Skills. Have you ever felt uncomfortable in a meeting after asking a question or making a joke? Are you the subject matter expert in your function or product, but still feel like an outsider on an island? Maybe you've received feedback from your management suggesting you work on improving your interpersonal skills, but you had no clue what interpersonal skills really means? Most business and technology professionals have heard of the concept of interpersonal skills, but few actually understand what it is and, more important, what it is not. Even fewer know how to be aware, evaluate their level of skill, or how to work to improve them. For most of us, this workplace critical topic of interpersonal skills is learned by making mistakes and reflection. This course will enable you to understand the most important interpersonal skills, become more aware of how your words and actions make others feel, and improve your interpersonal skills in the workplace. Some of the major topics we'll cover include an introduction to interpersonal skills, including categories, a deep dive into an evaluation framework that can help set goals and track progress, an awareness model with 4 self-awareness types. Then we'll wrap up by reviewing practical recommendations to improve your skills. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the skills and knowledge required to improve your interpersonal skills. This is an introductory course, so just dive right in and get started. I hope you'll join me in this course, Improving Interpersonal Skills, a great way to build and maintain meaningful workplace relationships.